Hey, what's up, guys? So I wanted to put this video together to address the VA, FHA, and the appraisal waiver that most sellers are looking for right now in the market the way it is. So I put this together because I've got so many VA buyers and FHA buyers that are well qualified, that have money, and for whatever reason, the perception that they're not a great buyer is out there and is not true. It's not true. So this is the deal. Although there is an amendatory clause on a VA and FHA loan that says the buyer could walk away if the home did not appraise. Okay, that's what an amendatory clause is. VA, FHA. It just says that the buyer could walk away if it didn't appraise. Now, could the buyer pay more for the home if they choose to, even on an FHA and a VA loan? Absolutely, they can. Absolutely, they can. We as a lender can't tell the buyer that they can't pay more for the home. However, on the mortgage side, they can't get more than the appraised value for the loan, right? So if you want to pay more money than it appraised for, if you've got the money, that's perfectly fine, even if you're going with the VA loan or FHA loan. We can't tell the buyer they can't pay higher. So I want to make sure this is very clear because VA buyers and FHA buyers are getting the shaft right now. Still, now it has gone that misconception, or not misconception, but this discrimination essentially is what this is, by a seller saying, I don't want to deal with FHA or VA because of this clause. It has died down a little bit since a year ago. But I wanted to make sure I put this video out because the buyer can pay more if they choose to, right? And a lot of these buyers, FHA buyers, VA buyers, especially I would say maybe more VA buyers than FHA, they have money. They have money. It's just because they're a veteran, they don't have to put down a down payment. That does not make them a weaker buyer. So I wish this misconception that just because the buyer is not putting down money, especially on a VA, that they're not a strong buyer. That's not true. So please understand, the buyer can pay more if they choose to. And you as a seller or a listing agent, I wish you can get this message across to your sellers. Now, I understand the market that we're in right now. The reality is the seller's going to do what's best for them in any market, but in this market especially, because they're getting so many offers, and a lot of these offers are cash. I understand. Conventional buyers 20% down. Is it a stronger buyer than a VA buyer who's not putting 20% down? In my opinion, not necessarily. No, it's not. It's just the structure of a VA loan does not require a veteran to have a down payment. That does not make them a weaker buyer. It doesn't. So this perception that conventional is always the best loan is just not the case. All right. All right. I'm done. I don't want to continue to rant. If you got questions about this, please reach out to me and let me know. All right. Talk to you soon. Have a great one.